Okay, hello everyone. This is our lab house. We are from Shichang's Special Lighting Factory, and still today is Stan and Jessica, and we will today we will introduce some new products that we have shown before. And Jessie, remember the last live show? Maybe the day before yesterday, what products have we shown? Yes, on Wednesday we have a live show about our mini 7 right? Yes, and this one today we will introduce new product. And during the live show, if you want to join us, please leave message, and we will. If we saw your message, we will reply. And today, the theme of today's live show is about the 20 RB movie headlights, which is in the same series of our Mini 7R, and uh, we will first maybe you and first let me introduce this the outlook of this whole the whole light, and you can see the 20 RB green headlights. The voltage is 450 voltage and very high, so the light is very huge, which is different from the Mini 7R, and the size is very big, so the light will be stronger too. And first is the light source. For this light, we use our for we use our 20R dim light, which looks like which looks like this. And the big burner inside the lamp is from Panasonic, and the reflector around the burner we use imported material, so the lamp is of very high quality, so it can produce very excellent beam light. And sorry for a second. And now look at the outlook of the light. This 20 beam light, the outlook model is our patent model. So you cannot buy the same model from other suppliers. This is only from ours, and like the mini 7R that we shown before, some spare parts inside the lights is also of very high quality. For example, the small parts, this screw, like the mini 7R, we use anti-skidding screws, which can prevent the screws loose from the light, and all the metal materials from the bottom to the arm of the light, we and the metal materials of the light from the bottom and the arm of the light, all the metal materials is very thick, about how what is the thickness of our metal materials. Mostly it's about 20 millimeters. Yes. The others maybe 50 millimeters. Yes, which is very thick, and you can hang at any angles. We will show you some of our lights hang around the room. And what's more, beside of the screws, the metals, we also talk about the fans. We also talked about the fans inside the lamp lights. We use a ball bearing fans, which can prevent the dirty, can prevent the dust absorbed in the fans, and that's why our lights can cool better than others. And also in the the heart of the light is a masterboard, and for the masterboard we use robotic protection, which can protect the masterboard from being over high voltage, and it will damage the heart of the light, and it will, if the masterboard is broken and the light is down. And of the light of this light, it has many functions, and which our mini 7R don't have. We use two. We have this light. We have two prism wheels. We have four four fixed. Sorry, we use about and gobos. We have many gobo shapes and colors, different colors. We also have some special effects, some forced effects, some water wave effects, and some rainbow effects. And we will show you next. Okay, Jesse will help me to display this light and for better. And I will show you. All our beam lights have DMX channels, so you can connect it to your control board, and you can see it's very easy to operate. Even Jesse can operate it well. Okay, first we have turned on the beam light. Let's make some smoke so you can see the track of the light. Okay, you can see here is a beam of this light. You can see our lens. The angle of our beam light is about 1.8 degrees, which means the light almost can fulfill the whole lens. It's very straight, bright, and strong. And the light is very uniform from the edge to the center. The lightness is the same. The lightness is the same. And now let's look at some colors. Okay, you can see this one. Wait for something. Jesse, can you turn on our forest effect? Forest effect. Okay. We add the forest effect, and we add some color so that you can see the color clearly. You can see from the edge to the center, the lightness is very uniform without any difference. And the very special color of this light is that we have a UV light, which is ultraviolet light. And if the UV light, when you project the UV light to some fluorescent color, it can make some very cool effect. Also the channel we have also the channel can also make the color run automatically, and you can adjust the speed of the change. You can make it slower or faster as you want. And next, let's see some goggles. We have 4 glass goggles. Also, the global channels has automatically running mode, modes, and the speed can be changed. Also, you can see we have some snow shapes, some round shapes, and some really look like some flowers. And you can adjust it. You can use them for different occasions, for different themes. These are some round goggles. This round goggles have different size. And here is our fixed goggles. You can add some prism, or you can add some colors, and the light factor will be. And when you add some prism to the fixed goggles, the light effect will be tiled on the screen. And we have some flower shapes. You can use it at wedding occasions. Okay, that's all. Now let's move to the next light effect, which is our prisms. As I have said, we have 2 prism wheels. Let's see the first prism. Okay, the first prism is our 16 prism, and this one is in the first. This one is in the first prism wheel, and each wheel have 3 prisms. And this is the first prism in first prism wheel, and the second prism is a linear prism. And the next one is that the next one is 6 plus 12 prism. This prism can tile, and this prism can tile the different shapes, different globals on the screen. And let's move on to the second prism wheel. Okay, as you can see, this one is a 32 prism. It's a very big round, and the second prism is also a linear, which is different from the first linear prism. And the last one, yes, the last one is 8 plus 16 plus 32 prism. Okay, this one is 8 plus 16 plus 32 prism, and you can also mix the 2 prism wheels together to produce more prism effects. Now, Now you can see this one. This one we put two linear prisms together, and the prisms all these prisms all can be rotated. Yes, and you can also add some different colors. Yes. The effect is very fantastic. Now let's look at some special light effects. Actually, we have the first effects that we have shown before, so we'll move on to the water wave effect. Yes, this water wave effect is very special in some beam lights, and maybe you can see this from other lights. And you can add different colors into the wavelength. Yes, we can add different colors into the wavelength. And when it is projected to on the ground on the screen, the effect is very wonderful and magic. Okay, the next one. The next one is our rainbow effect. And first we should pick a small round global. First we pick a small round global, and we add the rainbow effect. Then we can add different prisms. We choose the 16 prism and 32 prism together. Also, this one can also be rotated. Wait for some seconds. Jessie is adjusting the machine. And as I have said, we add two different globals. Oh, sorry, as I have said, we added two different prisms, and we rotated the two different prisms with different rotation direction. And it looks like from this. Sorry, we have to make some smoke so you can see the real effect of this ripple effect. From the whole, you feel that the prism is rotating clockwise. The whole thing looks like it's rotated from the clockwise, but actually we add but actually we also add an anti-clock direction of a different to the different prism, and the two different direction of the prisms makes this seem very wonderful, and with the smoke you can see it clearly. Now you can, if you stand in the light, you can see the effect. I have seen this light effect on the TV shows many times, and when I first saw it in our display room, I was shocked that even I can make this light effect. It's very special and beautiful.